In this video, we will see how to do registration at eTution's platform and how to get verified as a teacher. So, first of all, visit www.etutions.com. Then you will see a register now button in the top right corner. Click on the teacher. You will land on the registration page. Fill all the details: first name, your last name, your email ID, and your phone number. Referral code is optional, no need to fill it. Now in the bottom, click on the checkbox and register yourself. You will receive an OTP to your mobile number, which you have provided above. Wait for at least 10 seconds. Enter your OTP and verify. Now your mobile number is verified with eTutions. This was the first process of successfully registering yourself. Now you will have to complete your profile for the verification. First of all, choose the courses or class you want to teach. We have many categories to select. To give a demo, I'm selecting only two different categories such as school and digital marketing. Then choose the classes. I selected class 11th commerce and class 12th commerce. Then for digital marketing category, I'm selecting FB ads and Google ads. Click on next. For class 11th commerce, choose the board you are flexible to teach. I selected CBSE and UP board. Choose the subjects for both boards. Now jump to the another section. Now this is an important part, so please listen carefully. Do not fill the amount that is not acceptable. For example, I have 2 years of experience in teaching, so I am putting around 100 rupees to 150 rupees per hour. Above this would be not acceptable by students, or they will ignore you if you put like 400 to 500 rupees per hour with this much experience. Now enter how many classes you can take in a month. These are auto-calculated charges after discount. You can edit it and can give further discounts on monthly basis to attract the students for monthly plans. Same works for the quarterly plans. Give discounts as per your willingness. The process you applied for the 11th commerce, apply the same process in class 12 section. So I'm filling out all the necessary details here. Okay, now jump to the next category. It's about a course. You can have different categories such as coding, personality development, or language courses, but I have Facebook ads, the digital marketing. First, define the level you want to teach, beginner or intermediate. I have 3 years of experience, so I'm putting 200 rupees hourly charges. And for this particular subject, I can give only 30 classes in a month. So monthly charges automatically feed in the box after discount. Same works for the quarterly basis. Now for the Google ads, I am filling out all the necessary details in the same way which I have filled in the Facebook ads. So I'm choosing the basic, intermediate, hourly charges, total years of experience in Google ads, hours of classes I can take in a month, and the charges. So in the same way, quarterly basis, your charges can be calculated. Then click on the next. You will move to the personal details page. Fill out all the details correctly for verification. It should match with your Aadhaar card. After filling out, upload a passport size photo, and it should be less than 512 KB. Otherwise, site will not accept your photo. Then upload your ID proof. You can upload your Aadhaar card, passport, or voter ID card. Now I'm done with uploading the proofs. Click on the next. You will move to the education and work page. Here you need to fill all your educational details. Put your highest qualification, your college name, teaching experience, specializations you have in teaching. You need to ready your updated resume, so you can upload it here in PDF or JPG format, or in any other format like text or docs file you can upload. And one more important thing, it should not be more than 512 kb. Now this is the important part. You have to mention the hours you available for each day. So now this section is to define the availability of time in different days. These days and timings are default, but you can set the time for each day depending upon your availability. Click on the plus icon, choose the class start time and dates, click on add, and you are done. Like this way you can set for each day. Click on next. You will move to the internet connectivity page. This is a simple process. Define your internet connection. Like I have broadband Wi-Fi. Speed of internet is more than 4 Mbps. Now you have to give us a screenshot of your internet speed. Go to any speed test website, run a speed test, take a screenshot and upload it here. After uploading, when you click on next, you will see you are registered successfully. You will get a notification for successfully registration. Next steps to verify email ID. Wait for 5 seconds at least. Then login panel will open. Log in with your username, ID and password you have received in your registered email ID. So you will be redirected to your dashboard. You will see kindly verify your email ID. Click on send email, check your inbox, and if you can't find in inbox, check once in spam folder. Sometimes it happens that mail delivered to the spam inboxes. Now I have verified my email ID. Click on continue. You will be redirected to your dashboard. Refresh the page once. You will see your profile is not verified yet. So our profile is delivered to the eTuitions team and it will take around 48 hours to 7 days to complete your verification. Then you will be listed as a teacher. Now one more important information I have for you. Click on classes. Then these are the classes you have chosen earlier for teaching, and you can add more classes and choose any category from this panel. Thank you so much for watching.